Today I finished my last Spidey drawing and sat watching the news. Then I found out that IPL is running right now, but I don't like cricket. So seeing that news I got an idea about my new drawing, so let's prepare for it. Oh, messy table. So let's clean up first. Yes, done. Clear. So let's into it. Let's draw the outline first.
Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shawty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
My character outline is done. Now it's time to shading. Here I am using graphite pencil for shading. Shading is done on character's face. Let's blend it. I am using makeup brush to blend here.
Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale?
You all must have known whose drawing this is. Let me say a little thought. That is known as Hitman, who is Rohit Sharma.
Yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk.
Now let's do the shading in her cloth.
I think it's time to talk.
I am using tissue paper to blend smooth and also blending stump.
It off, always in overdrive. Now the feeling's lost, blind to notice we've been losing touch. Long gone fairy tale, yeah we killed the rush. Been months.
Drawing is done, so now enjoy the reel. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.